Program to find the greatest number. To create an AI Connect program to find the greatest number out of the 3 random numbers, create a project. In this project, create a basic coding activity. Then follow the given steps. Step 1. Go to the Variables category and click on the Create Variable block to create a variables. Create 3 variables A, B, and C. Drag and drop Set A2 block from Variables category. Add int block from Conversion category inside this block. Then add Input with Prompt block from Input category inside int block. Follow the same steps for variable B and C. Step 2. Attach if-do block from Logic category. Click on Setting button of if-do block and add 2 else if block and 1 else block in if-do block. Step 3. In if portion of if-do block, add comparisons for the variables using logical and relational blocks. Here, we have compared the first number A with the second B and third C number to check for the greatest. Add print block in do portion. Inside it, add A block and input block. It will print if the condition is true, otherwise next condition will be checked. Step 4. Add comparisons for the rest 2 variables using logical and relational blocks inside the 2 else if blocks. Add print block in them as in step 3. Step 5. In the else portion of if-do block, add print block. Inside print block, add input block. By this, if none of the conditions are true, then the instruction of else block will be printed. Then, click on Run button. Enter the values. Click on Enter buttons to check which value is greatest.